Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted source for practical and innovative business solutions. We're here to help you navigate the labyrinth of business strategies, making it easier for you to reach your goals. Our channel offers a wealth of knowledge, from insightful tips to in-depth guides, all designed to empower you in the world of business. Today, we're exploring a game-changing avenue, using automation to cut business costs without sacrificing quality. In an era where efficiency and cost-effectiveness are key, automation stands as a beacon of hope for businesses worldwide. It's not about replacing the human touch, but enhancing it, making processes smoother, faster, and more efficient. We'll guide you through the steps, helping you understand how automation can revolutionize your operations, boost your bottom line, and maintain, if not elevate, the high standard of quality your business is known for. So buckle up and get ready for an enlightening journey. Stay tuned as we delve into the steps on how to effectively use automation to reduce business costs. To use automation effectively, you first need to understand what it is and what it can do for your business. Automation, in its simplest form, is the use of technology to perform tasks that would ordinarily require human intervention. It's like having a virtual assistant who never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to work. The beauty of automation is that it's a wide-ranging tool. It's not confined to one industry or type of business. From manufacturing to marketing, from healthcare to hospitality, there's a place for automation. It can be as simple as setting up automatic email responses, or as complex as using artificial intelligence to analyze data and make predictions. Now, you might be asking, what are the benefits of automation? Well, let me tell you, they are numerous and far-reaching. Firstly, automation can significantly increase productivity. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. This means you can get more done in less time, which is always good for business. Secondly, with automation, you can achieve a high level of accuracy. Humans, as wonderful as we are prone to errors. Machines, on the other hand, can perform the same task over and over with a consistent level of precision. Thirdly, automation can help streamline operations. It can eliminate bottlenecks, reduce redundancies, and ensure a smooth flow of work. This leads to more efficient processes, which in turn can lead to cost savings. And finally, automation can lead to improved customer service. By automating routine tasks, your staff can focus on what they do best, providing excellent customer service. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and ultimately more business for you. Just imagine the possibilities if you could automate even a fraction of your daily tasks. The time and resources saved could be reinvested into growing your business, innovating, or just making your life a little bit easier. Now that we understand what automation is, let's explore how it can help cut business costs. An automation can significantly reduce business costs in multiple ways. Let's dive right in, shall we? First on our list is labor costs. Businesses often have to allocate a hefty portion of their budget to cover salaries, benefits, and training. Automation can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your team to focus on more complex, value-adding activities. This not only saves on labor costs, but also empowers your employees to contribute in more meaningful ways. Next up, let's talk about efficiency. Automation is like the ultimate multitasker. It can perform numerous tasks simultaneously and swiftly, without the need for coffee breaks or vacation days. This allows businesses to accomplish more in less time, translating to lower operational costs. It's like having a super-powered employee who's always on the clock. Now, onto errors. Human error is a part of life, but in business, it can cost a pretty penny. Whether it's inputting incorrect data or missing a crucial step in a process, these mistakes can lead to financial losses and damage to your company's reputation. Automation, being based on predefined algorithms, greatly minimizes the chances of such errors, ensuring a higher level of accuracy and reliability. Last, but certainly not least, automation can improve customer service. It can handle simple queries round the clock, provide instant responses, and ensure consistent quality of service. This not only reduces the burden on your customer service team, but also leads to happier, loyal customers. And we all know that retaining a customer is far more cost-effective than acquiring a new one. To sum up, automation can be a game changer for businesses. It can significantly reduce labor costs, ramp up efficiency, minimize errors, and enhance customer service. By leveraging automation, businesses can achieve substantial cost savings, allowing them to invest in growth and innovation. As you can see, automation offers numerous avenues for cost reduction, but how can you implement it without sacrificing quality? Stay tuned as we explore this in the next segment. The key to implementing automation without sacrificing quality lies in careful planning and execution. It's like a well-orchestrated dance, where each movement is meticulously planned to ensure a flawless performance. Let's start with understanding your business processes. It's like knowing the steps of your dance. You need to understand every detail, every nuance of your business operations before you can automate them. This will not only help you identify the areas that can be automated, but also those that require a human touch. Remember, not everything can or should be automated. Choosing the right automation tools is akin to picking the right dance partner. There are a variety of automation tools available in the market, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some are great for automating repetitive tasks, while others are designed to handle complex processes. It's essential to choose the one that best fits your business needs and objectives. Once you have automated your processes, it's not the time to sit back and relax. You must continuously monitor and improve your automated processes. This is where the real dance begins. Automation can sometimes lead to unexpected results, and it's crucial to keep an eye on the process to ensure it's delivering the expected benefits. Keep in mind, automation is not a one-time task, but a continuous process of improvement. As your business evolves, so should your automation strategy. Regularly reassess your automated processes, refine them, and don't be afraid to make changes when necessary. In this dance of automation, it's also important to strike a balance. While automation can undoubtedly increase efficiency and reduce costs, it should never come at the expense of quality. Always keep your customers' needs and expectations at the forefront, and ensure that the quality of your products or services is never compromised. With the right approach, you can automate your business processes while maintaining or even improving the quality of your products or services. To illustrate how automation can cut costs without sacrificing quality, we'll look at a case study. The business in question is Zephyr Logistics, a mid-size logistics company that faced escalating operational costs, which posed a significant threat to their bottom line. Zephyr Logistics took a leap of faith and turned to automation. They started by automating their inventory management system. This system was previously manned by several employees, working in shifts, to ensure round-the-clock functionality. With automation, the system could operate continuously, eliminating the need for multiple shifts and reducing labor costs significantly. Next, they automated their delivery scheduling. The manual process was time-consuming and prone to errors. The automated system could analyze delivery routes, traffic patterns, and other variables, scheduling deliveries in the most efficient way possible. This resulted in fewer late deliveries, fewer wasted trips, and a more streamlined process overall. Zephyr Logistics also automated their customer service with the help of AI chatbots. These bots could handle common queries around the clock, freeing up their human counterparts to handle more complex issues. The result was a more efficient customer service operation and an improved customer experience. Now, you might be thinking, sure, costs were cut, but what about quality? Well, Zephyr Logistics didn't just maintain their quality standards, they exceeded them. The automation of inventory management led to fewer errors and more accurate inventory tracking. Automated delivery scheduling meant more on-time deliveries, and AI chatbots improved customer service responsiveness. In short, Zephyr Logistics was able to reduce their costs and enhance their quality simultaneously. This case study clearly demonstrates the power of automation and how it can transform a business. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points we've discussed in this video. Automation is an essential tool for any business looking to reduce costs without sacrificing quality. It can streamline processes, reduce labor costs, and improve accuracy. But more than that, automation can also enhance quality standards by reducing errors and improving customer service. Remember, automation is not about replacing humans, but rather about enabling them to focus on tasks that require a more personal touch or expert knowledge. It's about making businesses more efficient, more accurate, and more productive. As demonstrated in our case study, automation can indeed help businesses reduce costs without sacrificing quality. The journey to automation may seem daunting at first, but with careful planning and execution, it can yield significant benefits. Thank you for joining us at HouseLux Estate. We hope you found this information useful and enlightening. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful business tips. Until next time, keep innovating and keep growing.